will be making our own lip balm labels, just like this one. It's only in just a few easy steps, from this to this to this to this. And at the end of the video, we are going to make them surprises. We will do that after we do our lip gloss labels. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. That would help me out very much. If you subscribe, we will make better videos every time. Here are the things that you need for the DIY surprise lip balms. What you need: lip balm cylinder. It's gotta be like this. Tape, clear or decorative. You can either get decorative tape or regular tape. And then you need stickers. The stickers will be really cute. And there's lots that you can pick. So, guys, so you also need used paper, white or decorative. So make sure you use the used paper. You can use any paper you want, but it has to be used to save the planet. Save the trees. And then you need a pen and a pencil. Here's my pink pen, and here's my pencil. Scented markers. You can see this video up at the corner. And then you need a ruler. You can also trace a book. Like this one, you can trace at the edge for a ruler if you don't have one. And then you need scissors, one pair for kids. There's my scissors that I'm going to use. Adults' permission, because we have scissors and those are very sharp. And you need a creative mind. You can do whatever you want. You can add new things, like you could do anything. So, let's get started. First, you are going to cut paper, used paper. So you start off like this. You kind of want to change the label, or you can stick with it for a surprise. But if you want it to be more festive looking, cover it in paper that you can draw on. And so this is how you do it. Whoopsie. You're going to start like this, and then you're going to cut at an edge right here, and then you're going to put the, so you see where the label is? You're going to put that at the bottom of the paper. And then you are going to cut right there. And then you're going to get about like that. And then you glue it. You also need glue. I'm so sorry, but you also need glue. So just pretend this is glue. Kind of looks like it. You're going to glue it on both ends. And then you're going to glue it like this. Let me cut the paper. You just cut it for pretty small and big size. So it's enough to wrap around your lip gloss. Like that. You're going to glue right here. You're going to press it down. And then wrap your paper around. And then press down on the other side you glued it. And then after that, you are going to end up with something like this. Let it dry. While you let it dry, you can just watch TV. It doesn't take that long for a glue stick to dry. And then, so remember the flavor also. So if you can put like the flavor strawberry, it could be like a strawberry sorbet. If it's grape, it can be grape jelly. And if it's unicorn, you can put unicorn poop. So you're going to put stickers on it. And I guess maybe a strawberry would be good. You can put little hearts. I got these stickers at Dollar Tree. And I got this sticker book at Kohl's. So let's put a few stickers on it. But don't forget to leave enough room so you can write the name of your flavor. So let's start off with one of these stickers. I love the color gold, so I'm going to start off with the color gold. I'm going to put it right on top. And if you're not that good at putting on stickers, you can ask your parents to do it for you. Like I'm not as good, but this can work. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to switch with this. So you see there's a little strawberry right here, so that must mean we have a strawberry. So just look for the page you're looking for, where there's a strawberry. And then whenever you find it, here it is. Put your flavor pictures, it can be a sticker, on the top so you have enough space to write the flavor on the bottom. And then you can write the flavor. This will be strawberry. And actually, don't write it on the cylinder. You can cut out a piece. And then, of course, you need glue. You can cut it out. You can just cut a piece. And then you can write strawberry so you have neat handwriting with it. You can write it in all capitalized. Strawberry. Berry. Okay, and then write it with your neatest handwriting. And try not to smear it like I did. I'm probably not going to use, I don't recommend using gel pens. So we are just going to, I will see you after this. I'm going to write it with a non-gel pen. So I'll see you after it. So I have a better idea. I'm going to write it on one of these labels here with a non-gel pen. Strawberry. And if you want to get a little creative, you can write strawberry sorbet. Okay, there's strawberry. And then I love the color gold, but pink is also cute too. Okay, I'm going to put strawberry there. I highly recommend non-gel pens because those would, if you touch it, they would smear. Okay, wrap it all the way with your neatest. It's going to be neat, very neat. So just do it very neat. And then if there's a little space at your label, you can put a gold star right here. It just makes it look better. And you can use some markers to color in a little bit. I love this scented pink marker. It's cupcake. Yeah, it's probably strawberry cupcake. That's why I love it. And then you can just color it in. And then you can take your time, like listen to some music while you do this. Get in your comfort zone. And subscribe. Guys, if you subscribe, that would be really helpful. And And if you do it, then we're going to make better videos every single time somebody subscribes. And we're probably going to do some more drawing videos and Barbie crafts. We're trying to think of what we should do. So while I'm coloring this in, we're just going to skip to the part where we're done. Okay? So I colored it in. Now I have 3 of them. It's going to be from boring to pretty. By the way, this is Dr. Pepper. I like that one. And if you want to make it a surprise, you can just pretend that this is big. You could just do this. Make it look like a little bit of grass. And then you get some rope, tie it. You can put a little question mark. And then you can use a copy machine to make them all look the same. So don't forget, I hope you liked this video. I really liked it. So don't forget to subscribe and like. You can't hit the bell since the changes. And you can't comment. So now, just like and subscribe. That would be really helpful. And goodbye, everybody.